In the next case, if we make usage of fill, like this one, this object fill, so all it is going to do, instead of cover, if we make usage of object fill, press Ctrl S, reload, and you can see that the image is now practically filling up the whole container space, stretching that individual image that we have used in this purpose. This is another thing that we need to mention here. In the next case, if instead of object fill, we use here object none. Have a look here. This is the class object none that is being used, and in that case it is going to display an elements contained at its original size, ignoring the container size using. So if we get back to our project and reload, we can see that the original size is now retained. And have a look over here, press F12 and click here on this image, and you can see that the width is full, that this whole image container class, it is practically full. But on the other hand, the width is being used here 100%, and the original size of the image is now written into our container. In the next case, before getting back to this next option here, the class which is being used as Object-scale-down, before that, first of all, let's revert it back to object fill. Press Ctrl S, get back to your project and reload, and you can see that as expected, this will be the result. The image will be stretching itself in an order to fill this individual container that we have created. And here, instead of fill now, if we make usage of this object scale down, Ctrl S, get back to your project and reload, and you can see that the object is now, that the image is now scaled down into its original size, but scale it down to fit its container if necessary. So all it is doing here, it is displaying an elements contained at its original size, but scale it down to fit its container if necessary using object scale down. Here all it is doing, it is practically occupying this whole container. In this particular case, the object is now scaled down to a definite size, to the original size of this individual image, as been shown right over here. So all those things are related to object images over here. In the next case, all we are going to do, we are going to know about this object position.